Howdy fellas, hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Didn't eat too much like I did. Christmas is coming up before long. I know everybody's looking forward to that. A lot of people already started decorating. It'll be here before you know it. Hope you got that muzzleloading stuff for that guy on your list picked out for him. But something I want to talk about today, I've had people ask the question before about how do I clean my muzzleloader. And when you ask that question, you're going to get as many answers as there are dogs on or fleas on an old dog. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's got their own method. There's 1,000 products out there to clean with, but what I found works the best for me, and I think if you try it you'll agree, is just hot water. A lot of people put a drop or two of dishwashing detergent in it and heat that water up, plug off your touch hole or your nipple on your gun and fill that barrel full of that water. Let it sit there until that barrel starts cooling off. Just dump that water out and then start cutting loose on it with patches and just scrub back and forth. And another method, if you can take your barrel off your muzzleloader, like on a hook breech on like a Hawking type rifle, you just take that rifle and stick it down in a bucket of water, put that patch in there, get it wet, and then start pumping that water in and out. That works real well too. Once you get the fouling out of it to suit you, then you take dry patches and start seeing if it's clean enough. If it's not, then you can take some kind of black powder bore solvent and put in there and maybe get some more of it out, but be sure you get it thoroughly dry. And once you're drying it, put something like a little mink oil, boar butter. I don't recommend any type of petroleum product in a muzzleloader barrel. Black powder and petroleum just don't go together. Now, I had one of my friends tell me, oh no, don't use hot water. It'll make your gun rust. To a certain extent, yes it will. But if once you dry it out real good and take just a little bit of something and put down in it, like I said, mink oil, boar butter, ballistol, any non-petroleum type product in that barrel, that will keep your rust down. So I hope you're having a good hunting season. I hope you've had luck. Haven't been seeing anything around here. Saw one buck on the move real quick. Now I'm hunting this year in my blind on the back porch, like I like to say. I just don't get out and hunt much anymore. I'm getting where I'm really not able to do it. But anyway, hope you're having a great holiday season, a great hunting season. Appreciate you supporting the channel, watching the videos, and commenting. Keep your powder dry. Mind your top knot, Pilgrim.